Starting around 02 July 2023, torrential slide explicitly is exchanging at $13 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.03% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely critical. Avax by and large has a kind of complete market cap of $4,493,848,551, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $107,136,775, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. This really makes torrential slide, Avax, sort of positioning at 18 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is very huge. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the torrential slide cost forecast finish of 2023. What will torrential slide explicitly be by and large worth in 2023, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking? Is torrential slide a for the most part wise venture, or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, in an in every way that really matters, significant way? Will Avax cost for the most part outperform its unequaled extremely high in a really significant manner? These especially are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, or so they especially thought. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax value sort of is supposed to in every practical sense cross a really normal value level of $15.93, the normal kind of least value worth of torrential slide, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to be $15.41 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Avax can really arrive at a truly greatest value level of $17.04 in a sort of large manner. Torrential slide value expectation July 2023. The cost of torrential slide explicitly is generally anticipated to especially reach at any rate worth of $12.44 in July 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. The Avax cost could in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $14, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $13.61 all through 2023. So will Avax cost outperform its record-breaking extremely high in an unpretentious manner? Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation August 2023. The cost for torrential slide in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $13.23 and $14.68, which shows that will Avax cost really outperform its unsurpassed sort of high in an unobtrusive manner. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $13.88 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide, Avax, value conjecture September 2023. The torrential slide, Avax cost for September 2023 may fundamentally arrive at a very least worth of $13.79, while the very most extreme gauge cost certainly is around $15.23 in an essentially significant manner. The sort of typical cost for Avax in every practical sense is truly anticipated to basically reach $14.44 in September 2023, or so they essentially thought. Avax value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide is gauged to basically be at around a very least worth of $14.50, or so they fundamentally thought. The torrential slide value worth can truly arrive at an extremely limit of $15.81, with the typical exchanging worth of $15.01 in United States dollars in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, torrential slide cost in a real sense is estimate to truly arrive at a scarcely the most reduced cost of $15.10, which in a real sense shows that will Avax value sort of outperform its unequaled high, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Avax cost could really arrive at a greatest cost of $16.41, with the extremely normal expected cost around $15.61, exhibiting that these generally are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future in a sort of huge manner. Torrential slide, Avax, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of torrential slide especially is truly anticipated to, for the most part, arrive at a sort of typical cost of $15.93, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $17.04 and a very least of $15.41 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Torrential slide fundamentally passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been most certainly diminished by 0.38% in its essentially current worth in a truly significant manner. Assuming we basically look at the truly current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down. Torrential slide basically is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, which truly is very critical. The Avax fundamentally is down to nearly 3.82% in the truly most recent 7 days, showing how torrential slide Avax value conjecture September 2023. The torrential slide Avax cost for September 2023 may explicitly arrive at a by and large least worth of $13.79, while the especially greatest gauge cost for the most part is around $15.23, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for past in every practical sense. Hardly any days, the coin could in a real sense have kind of solid essentials at the same time. We don't explicitly believe that it would a productive resource in extremely present moment. So torrential slide Avax value conjecture September 2023. The torrential slide Avax cost for September 2023 may arrive at a kind of least worth of $13.79. While the very greatest estimated value sort of is around $15.23, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax in a real sense diminished by 38.779%, dispensing with an incredible by and large normal amount of $8.24 from its genuinely current worth, which really is genuinely critical. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at this moment, implying that it can for the most part be a sort of good, explicitly purchase an open door for speedy venture. So torrential slide all things considered is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in an essentially significant manner. The 90 days cost change generally is near 26.91%. And the cost certainly coursed from a fundamentally least in every practical sense, normal cost of $16.54 to exceptionally most extreme truly normal cost of $18.27 in the very beyond 90 days. Extremely further appearance how the Avax cost could essentially arrive at a very greatest worth of $14, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $13.61 all through 2023. So will Avax cost all things considered outperform its unequaled high, which truly is genuinely critical. In most recent 4 months torrential slide sort of has shown a developing pattern, which basically is very critical. Consequently, we really feel that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, which generally is genuinely huge. As per the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of torrential slide by and large is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting how this for the most part makes torrential slide